Hello everyone, this is Tuba from Botanalytics, and today I will be interviewing Stefan from Chatbots Life. Hello Stefan, can you tell a bit about yourself?
Yeah, absolutely. Hi guys, my name is Stefan. I'm the founder of Chatbots Life. We're the second largest bot publication in the world today. And what we do is we help bot companies and we help enterprises with their bot projects by helping them increase revenue.
Cool, and so what are the top 3 use cases for bots?
Okay, that's a great question. So we're finally starting to see things that work. So out of all the things that we've experimented with, we've seen other bot makers and enterprises experiment with, the space is starting to condense around 3 basic use cases. The first one is, I would call it customer service. Basically chatbots answering the most commonly asked questions, FAQs, or some kind of automated FAQs like where's my package, shipping updates, receipts, this sort of thing. The second use case that's really exciting is using chatbots for e-commerce and marketing. We're finally starting to see chatbots increase revenues for websites that sell items. We're seeing this with bottom of the funnel features, like, for example, abandoned cart recoveries or upselling. And then we're also seeing it in the top of the funnel where more and more marketers are trying to get people into their funnels. Before they were sending them to email, now they're starting to send more and more of them to their chatbot. And the third one, which I think is the most exciting, and the one that no one knows about or is least talked about, and that is the way enterprises are starting to use chatbots internally. If you could think of all the Slack apps that are out there kind of helping small companies by automating things on Slack, we're seeing bigger companies start using or starting to create similar technology. So for example, we have companies that are creating internal HR bots. So if you're, let's say you work for one of these companies, you can just go in and you can type, hey, I'm sick, and then the bot will start talking with you instead of HR. And then we're also seeing it in different areas, like JP Morgan Chase had this bot called Coin, and what Coin did was it used NLP to read the contracts. It would read a whole contract and it would find out which parts are wrong, where errors are, and it would go to fix them. In their first year, JP Morgan Chase saved 360,000 legal hours, lawyer hours. Those are huge, huge savings for them. So those are the 3 main use cases we're looking at.
Yeah, they're very trendy right now. And also, I know that you're very interested in UX side as well.
That's
so
right.
Maybe you would like to give some UX tips to bookmakers.
Sure. So I think the most important thing is to find out what the most important thing is. What that means is, out of your entire use case, there's going to be like 1 or 2 things that are really going to make it go. It's like the MVP approach, your minimum viable product, and you want to test that and you want to deploy that right away. So when we look at our life cycles, when we work with clients on some of their projects, literally we might do like a 2-week ramp up, build a bot within 2 to 3 weeks, and make it go live, and then we're going to see what the feedback is, and then try to iterate and improve, and then expand. So we start very, very small with something that we know is going to give us an ROI almost right away. A good example for e-commerce would be maybe like an abandoned cart feature. If you give a client an abandoned cart feature, there's no way it's not going to work. We're seeing it work. So right away you're going to get a positive response from that client, and now you can build out other features.
Yeah, and I definitely agree. Like starting simple is very important, and it's always the best idea. And so my next question is, how can we use bots in marketing? How can they help us in marketing efforts?
Yeah. So bots are great for marketing, and marketers are just finally starting to find out how. So you can use bots at all 3 stages of your funnel. The best place to start is you want to start at the bottom of your funnel, because that's where you're going to get a lot of your ROI right now. So what does that mean? That means that you have a bot that will automatically help recover abandoned carts, upsell, downsell, give people shipping updates, this sort of bottom of the funnel stuff. We have a product like this for Shopify store. It's called Go Beyond. It automatically turns your Shopify store into a chatbot, and it does those things. The next one I would really recommend on doing is sending your traffic down your bot as much as possible. So what does that mean? when someone first comes on your website, instead of you giving them a call to action that they would give you their email address, you can give them a call to action where they would come inside your bot and use your bot instead. The advantage here is that the bot has about a 70% open rate versus 15 or 20% in email. The click-through rate on a bot is 40 to 50% versus 15, 20% in email. So you don't need as many users even to get the same numbers. And the third way that marketers should be using bots is by creating interactive pieces of content that's going to help the user self-diagnose in some way. If you think about any product that's being sold, just about, it's solving a problem of some kind, right? So the problem is when someone's going through this process of should I buy this Dr. Who shirt or not, right? They're literally going through a decision-making process in their mind, right? Whether they're determining whether this thing is right for them or not. And sometimes they need information to help them make that decision. And that's where a bot could really help you, for example, self-diagnose. It can help you validate the problem, and then it can help you give you the solution. And I can give you an example of that.
You want to give an example?
Sure, yeah, I can give you an example. So a good example is imagine that you had a bot that gave you home remedies, right, for the common cold, right?
Yeah.
So most people, they may be searching online and maybe they want to know, do I have a flu? Do I have a common cold? Am I just stuffed up, right? So they go online and they do a research, right? What they're really doing is they're trying to self-diagnose. They're trying to find out, hey, what bucket do I belong in?
Yeah, I do it.
You do it. Yeah, I do it a lot. I do it a lot too. So imagine they come and they start reading your article on your website. That's maybe even the article's like, do you have sore throat or is it the flu question mark, right? Now they're reading the article. Halfway through, you could put like a call to action where they would literally push on a button. They would come inside your bot and they would take the do you have a cold or flu quiz, okay?
Yeah.
Now they go through your quiz, the bot asks them a bunch of questions. Now when they're done with the quiz, the bot's going to give them some kind of an answer. Yeah, you have a cold. No, you have the flu. No, you just have the sniffles, right?
Yes.
And all those things are going to have a solution tied to them. Like if you have a cold, you can probably drink chicken noodle soup, NyQuil or Dayquil, like whatever the remedy is. It's not free. There are no free remedies. So the bot can help that person buy those items, and so on. I think with other niches it would probably work better than the common cold, but as an example.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Thanks, and I agree. As long as you have a catchy chatbot, you can always use it for marketing and receiving feedback as well.
That's right.
So there's an upcoming conference hosted by Chatbots Life.
Yes.
Would you like to talk a bit about the conference? Because if you want to learn more, it's a great source, and we have a discount code for Botanalytics as well if
That's
you
right.
wanna register for the event.
Yeah, please come to the event. This is our second annual Chatbot Conference, and we're having the top 40 speakers in the chatbot space talk. We have speakers from Botanalytics, Ilker will be there. We have speakers from ChatFuel. We have speakers from Oracle, Facebook, etc. We have a lot of the biggest companies that are going to be there, so you definitely want to join us and use the code below.
Yes. Okay. Thanks, Stefan, for all the useful information you shared,
Yep.
and thanks everyone for listening. See you in the conference.
All right, bye.